What's up guys, Ruck and Scott back again. So today, small group, kind of thinking it's gonna be a little bigger, but we're doing something a little different. We're gonna actually start touring some of the local motorcycle shops. The idea was to get some of the new people out, kind of show them some of the places, what you can have done, where you can purchase stuff and whatnot. But only 3 of us showed up. Mark's leading us. He's always great to ride with, so I wanted to come out. But all of us have been on island for quite a while, so but we're gonna do it anyways and check some stuff out. It's a beautiful day out, but it's windy, and I use a dirt bike helmet, so hopefully you don't get too much wind noise. If I don't show a lot of riding and I play some music and I cut scenes a lot, just know that the wind was pretty terrible. I've also got the GoPro Hero 8 now. I'm rocking that. I still have to use the mic adapter because they haven't released the attachment for it yet. Hopefully they're supposed to say something in December. Hopefully we can get something on that. But our first stop is going to be Autobahn. They don't really sell any parts or anything, but they do great work. I had my Grom service there. They did new forks, tires, oil change and whatnot, fork seals, and they sell some bikes. They're a Kawasaki dealer. They got some other stuff. From Autobahn we're gonna go to Stex, and then after Stex we're gonna go to Nankai, which neither one of them have ever been before, so I can show some of the old heads something new. I've ridden with Mark before. He's the guy on the FJR, and he's a great rider, and he leads some amazing group rides, so it's always nice going on his group rides. I haven't been able to much lately. I've never actually ridden with Mike. He does Gymkhana. He was actually in my Gymkhana video. He was the one that was teaching me, kind of mentoring me, and also giving me a hard time, like a good friend would do. But it's kind of nice riding with both of them because they're both very experienced riders. So 1, I can learn something. 2, they're real good about picking their lane position, which is kind of a pet peeve of mine. Pick a lane position, kind of hold it when you're in a group ride, so that way you know, you can be safer about it. I don't like when people follow right behind me. You should be staggering in a group ride. Alright, first stop was Autobahn. Check it out a little bit. I think we're going to go ahead and head to Stex now. Alright, next stop is Stex, which is literally right there. We got a long ride, and I'm glad Mark did exactly what I was thinking. Just gonna coast down the hill on the sidewalk. I like how he put his flashers on, like it makes it okay. Like, okay guys, I can do this, I have my flashers on. I got stuck. We got 15 minutes before they open. We were too fast. Alright, so we've all been to Stex many times. They've never been to Nankai, so we're gonna go there instead, since Stex got a while to open up. Hey, We're still gonna have time when we get there. Do you want to take 5 minutes slower route that's a little better?
Go this way?
Yeah. You want to do that instead? Windy. I didn't even realize there was a light there, yet alone it was changing.
That's gonna take him about 5 seconds to be able to come out anyway.
Inside here, check it out. They got a lot of little stuff, so you can see inside of it's not much different than an American motorcycle shop, but a Japanese motorcycle shop. Some random gear. Helmets. Ooh. Tires. How about mine at Rico Land? I wonder the price on these ones. Not same price. That's about 70. If you just take off the two, it's about $73. Actually a little bit cheaper. Alright, Mark said he's gonna show us somewhere else, so we'll go check that out. I bought some key tags. Got one for the Grom and one for the Yamaha, the Supermoto. Obviously not for the YZ, I don't have a key. Oh, big camera, that's where I need to go. What's this place again? Sakihama. Sakihama.
shop, Mark 32 Sunday, and they rent bikes and sell bikes and do service. Pretty nice little shop. So now we're gonna head over to Rico Land.
Heavy today. This, I think, is going to be our last motorcycle shop stop. Rico Land. I come here too often. I'm going to end this video here, guys. Appreciate you watching. It's been fun. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the different motorcycle shops. For the ones that I know, and I'll search for, there's only one I didn't know, and I'll do a search for it and see, but I'll try to put the address for everything there, so if you guys want to visit them, whatnot, if you're in Okinawa, obviously, you guys can check it out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, hit that like button. It really helps out a lot, more than you think. And hit that subscribe button if you enjoy some of these videos. And as always, ride safe.